Have you ever wondered how a tiny fennel seed can significantly improve your health? Today, we delve into the intriguing world of fennel seeds. These aromatic little wonders, native to the shores of the Mediterranean, have found their way into kitchens around the globe. They are much more than just a spice to perk up your dishes. They are also a treasure trove of health benefits waiting to be discovered. Fennel seeds, with their sweet, anise-like flavor, are not only a culinary delight, but also a staple in traditional medicine. They have been used for centuries to treat a myriad of health issues, from digestive problems to respiratory ailments. The seeds are also brewed into a soothing tea, enjoyed not just for its flavor, but for its potential health benefits. So, are you ready to discover the top 15 health benefits of fennel seeds? Hold on to your hats, because we are about to embark on a journey of flavor, health, and discovery. Starting the countdown with number 15, let's delve into these amazing benefits. At number 15, we have improved digestion. Fennel seeds are known to contain anethole, a compound that helps in stimulating the secretion of digestive juices. This results in a smoother digestion process. So the next time you feel bloated or constipated, try chewing on some fennel seeds or sipping a cup of fennel tea. Moving on to number 14, fennel seeds can help reduce inflammation. They are packed with antioxidants, which fight off harmful free radicals in our bodies. These free radicals are known to cause inflammation, which can lead to various chronic diseases. So, adding fennel seeds to your diet may just help you keep inflammation at bay. At number 13, we have the potential weight loss benefits. Fennel seeds are a good source of dietary fiber, which keeps you feeling satiated, thereby reducing the urge to snack between meals. It's like having a natural appetite suppressant at your disposal. Plus, they are low in calories, making them an excellent addition to a weight loss diet. Coming in at number 12, fennel seeds can help freshen your breath. They have been used as a natural breath freshener for centuries. The aromatic oils in fennel seeds help combat bad breath and also aid in the production of saliva, which is essential for good oral health. So, after a meal, consider chewing on a few fennel seeds instead of reaching for a sugary mint. And finally, at number 11, we have the benefit of improved mental clarity. Fennel seeds contain potassium, a mineral essential for optimal brain function. Regular intake of fennel seeds or fennel tea may help improve cognitive abilities, keeping your mind sharp and focused. Intriguing, isn't it? But we are just getting started. Let's move on. As we move forward in our countdown, the benefits only get more surprising. At number 10, we find that fennel seeds offer a natural remedy for menstrual discomfort. These tiny seeds are packed with compounds like anethole, fenchone, and estragol that have antispasmodic and anti-inflammatory properties. When you experience menstrual cramps, your uterus contracts, causing pain. Fennel seeds can help relax these contractions and reduce inflammation, providing relief from menstrual discomfort. Moving on to number 9, we find that fennel seeds can also improve eye health. They are rich in vitamin A, a powerful antioxidant that is crucial for eye health. Vitamin A helps protect the cornea, which is the surface of the eye, and it's essential for good vision. Moreover, fennel seeds contain flavonoids, which are antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and protect against macular degeneration, one of the leading causes of vision loss. At number 8, we have enhanced skin quality. Fennel seeds are a good source of essential oils that have powerful antioxidant properties. These antioxidants help fight off free radicals that can damage skin cells, causing premature aging. Moreover, fennel seeds are rich in minerals like zinc, calcium, and selenium. These minerals can help improve skin texture, promote the production of collagen, and give your skin a healthy glow. For our 7th benefit, fennel seeds can help manage blood pressure. They are a good source of potassium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in controlling blood pressure. Potassium helps balance out the negative effects of salt and assists in the relaxation of the blood vessels, reducing the risk of high blood pressure. And finally, at number 6, we have the benefit of improved bone health. Fennel seeds are rich in calcium, which is the primary mineral responsible for bone health. They also contain magnesium, which is essential for the absorption of calcium into the bones. Additionally, fennel seeds are a good source of phosphorus, another essential mineral for bone health. Regular intake of fennel seeds can help maintain bone strength and prevent osteoporosis. Each benefit is a step towards better health, but the best is yet to come. Now let's uncover the top 5 benefits that will make you want to stock up on fennel seeds right away. Coming in at number 5, we have an unexpected benefit: lower blood pressure. These tiny seeds pack a punch. They are rich in potassium, a mineral known for its power to reduce hypertension. So when your heart feels like it's pounding a drum solo in your chest, consider reaching for fennel seeds. Their natural potassium content can help soothe the rhythm of your heart and keep your blood pressure in check. Next up, at number 4, we have improved heart health. Now this might seem similar to the previous point, but it's not. While potassium helps regulate blood pressure, the fiber in fennel seeds can help reduce the levels of bad LDL cholesterol in your body. This, in turn, can reduce the risk of heart disease. It's like having a tiny, delicious army fighting for the health of your heart. The bronze medal of benefits, sitting comfortably at number 3, is a strengthened immune system. Fennel seeds are not only tasty but also rich in vitamin C, which is known to boost your immunity. With a robust immune system, your body can put up a good fight against common ailments. Think of it as a shield, protecting you from the onslaught of germs and viruses. Now we're down to our top 2. At number 2, we have potential cancer prevention. This might sound like a big claim, but let's break it down. Fennel seeds are packed with antioxidants, compounds that fight against free radicals in your body. These radicals can cause cell damage and lead to various types of cancer. So while we can't say that fennel seeds are a surefire cure, they certainly do their part in the battle against this deadly disease. And finally, the number 1 benefit, the crown jewel of the fennel seed world, better brain function. Fennel seeds contain a healthy dose of potassium, which increases the supply of oxygen to the brain, aiding in better cognitive performance. So, if you want to feel sharper, more focused, or just want to give your brain a little boost, fennel seeds might be the way to go. Aren't these benefits truly remarkable? But how can you incorporate fennel seeds into your diet? You might be wondering, how can I start reaping these benefits? Well, let's dive right in and explore the various ways to incorporate fennel seeds into your diet. First off, one of the simplest ways to introduce fennel seeds into your daily routine is by chewing them. Yes, you heard it right. Just a pinch of these tiny magic seeds can work wonders. Chewing fennel seeds after a meal can help in digestion, freshen your breath, and also give you a quick antioxidant boost. Moving on, let's talk about cooking. Fennel seeds are a common ingredient in many cuisines around the world. They add a lovely, sweet, anise-like flavor to dishes. You can use them in your soups, stews, and broths. Or, how about sprinkling some on your salads or roasts for a touch of earthy sweetness? Baking enthusiasts, you can also add fennel seeds to your breads and cakes for an interesting flavor twist. Now, for the tea lovers out there, fennel tea is a treat. Brewing fennel seeds into a warm, soothing tea is not just comforting on a cold day, but it's also packed with health benefits. To make your own fennel tea, lightly crush about a teaspoon of fennel seeds and steep them in hot water. You can enjoy this tea anytime, but it's particularly beneficial after meals to aid digestion. Last but not least, fennel seeds can be ground into a spice powder. This powder can be used in a variety of ways, from seasoning your vegetables and meats to adding a unique flavor to your smoothies and shakes. Remember, like any other health supplement, moderation is key. Start with small amounts and observe how your body reacts. With these simple steps, you can easily make fennel seeds a part of your health regimen. So why wait? Start exploring the world of fennel seeds and discover the health benefits they can bring to your life. Before we wrap up, let's quickly summarize what we've learned today. Fennel seeds, these tiny powerhouses, pack quite a punch when it comes to health benefits. To start with, they are a great aid for digestion. If you've ever felt a little bloated after a meal or simply uncomfortable, a cup of fennel tea or a few chewed seeds can work wonders in soothing your system. They're not just about digestion, though. Fennel seeds are a natural remedy for bad breath and are often used in mouth fresheners. Moreover, they're known to help regulate blood pressure, thanks to their high potassium content. And let's not forget their role in respiratory health. From relieving asthma symptoms to treating bronchitis, fennel seeds have shown significant results. Moving on, these seeds are a boon for those trying to maintain a healthy weight. They can suppress your appetite and help in weight management. They're also a great source of antioxidants, helping your body fend off harmful free radicals. Additionally, they've been known to promote healthy skin, thanks to their antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. For the ladies, fennel seeds can be a friend during those difficult monthly cycles, as they help alleviate menstrual pain. And for the expecting mothers, they can help combat morning sickness. It's not just physical health. Fennel seeds have a calming effect and can help reduce anxiety and stress. They're also known to improve memory and brain function. Now, how do we incorporate these seeds into our diet? It's simple. You can chew them raw after meals, brew them into a tea, or even use them as a spice in your cooking. The possibilities are endless. Remember, good health is a journey. And every step, no matter how small, counts. So why not take a small step today and introduce fennel seeds into your wellness routine? You might be surprised at the benefits you reap. That brings us to the end of our enlightening journey through the world of fennel seeds. It's astounding to discover how such a small seed can pack such a powerful punch in terms of health benefits. By now, we hope you're inspired to incorporate these tiny powerhouses into your diet. Whether you choose to chew them or brew them into a soothing cup of tea, you're sure to reap an array of benefits. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to experiencing their full potential. But don't just take our word for it. We'd love to hear about your own experiences. Has a sprinkle of fennel seeds changed your life in any way? Have you discovered a unique way to include them in your meals? Drop a line in the comments section and share your stories. We're all ears. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.